D-Minus and I have noticed that our garlic has been starting to die back. We noticed just the bottoms, maybe 2 to 3 leaves are dying back, and so that seems to be a good indication that we should start thinking about where we're going to cure our garlic and start picking it.
It's a beautiful day today, so while we're taking a look at this garlic and get things ready for the curing process, we're going to harvest some of the garlic, the varieties that we have that we notice that the leaves are different, and take a sampling and throw them in the sun oven with some light preparation and try some roasted garlic. So
that's delicious. Can we have some cheese and crackers?
Yeah, we're going to do a whole spread. That's an onion. Oh yeah, some nice juicy ones here. Okay, so we have our 3 garlic picked out that we're going to be throwing in the sun oven. It is a beautiful warm day, so why not try out some of this delicious garlic as we're finalizing our harvest. Oh yeah, yummy. Let's get that. Let's eat it.
That's a big one. Hey.
That's it. We're all done the garlic.
It's near my blue cup hat.
Your what?
Blue cup hat.
Your what?
Blue cup hat!
Dun, dun,
Charming.
dun.
It's charming.
And we're just loosely scraping off the dirt. We're not going to really be aggressive. We're going to come back with a brush when these are drier, but just loosely brush them off before we start curing them.